Welcome to my apartment. I am, as you might know, on my YouTube channel, I have posted on there a lot of nice, interesting stuff. A lot of it about history, living history stuff, like at Fort Lawrence, Zor, Hales Farm, and Village, and of course, there's also Great Trails Festival, among other things. Yes. Today, we're going to do something new that I've been thinking about doing. Just doing some experimental cooking with historical facts, the historical backdrop. And of course, one of the things I'm going to be doing is using some recipes that are right off YouTube. They're also historical. In this case, Townsend and Son. If you are on my if you look on my homepage of YouTube on my channel, YouTube channel, he'll be featured on there. You said Townsend's featured channel, he'll be right there. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to do some baked onions. The simplest thing he ever done. Because this is so simple, it's like I could do it right almost immediately. Because when I got the idea of doing something like this, this is the idea. This is a primary example of what I can buy, or from his cookbook, from the cookbook. The way he has it done, essentially the same stuff that he used. Actually, onions is the yellow onion, which he used on the video, and of course, I already have it and preheated for 350 already. Getting it started, and of course, it's basically you're baking it, doing it like a baked potato. That's all it is. It's that simple. So, and of course, this is the spur of the moment type of thing. And it's like I just went to the store. Literally went to the store just now. Bought this bag of onions. I have laid them all laid on my sheet. I had just cleaned yesterday. So, I also bought for myself some Balling's sea salt, because I never really used salt. So only way you prepare them after you cook them is put them on salt or butter or whatever he said, or some other thing. So all I'd have to do is wait about 30 minutes, roughly 30 minutes. And they're all good already. So welcome back. I had just recently took it out of the oven. Here you go. And it already smells really good. Even in the oven, it was like sniffing the onions. It's like, oh boy. It already smells. The aroma is already quite. It's something to enjoy. So I'll go wait until I can cool that off for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes or so. So before I put on the salt, before I do anything else. So we'll find out. Hopefully, we'll see how it turns out.